Peter Pan. Chapter 4 of The Mermaid's Lagoon. One summer evening, Peter, Wendy, John, Michael, and the Lost Boys go to the Mermaid's Lagoon. Beautiful mermaids live here, and they are Peter's friends. They swim and play in the blue lagoon. Then they sit on Marooner's rock to comb their long hair. They sit in the sun and laugh. The children like the mermaids, and John says, "I want to catch one." He tries, but the mermaid jumps into the water. Peter says, it is very difficult to catch a mermaid. Suddenly someone says, "Look, the pirates are coming." A small boat with two pirates is coming to the lagoon. John, Michael, and the Lost Boys jump off the rock and swim away. But Wendy stays with Peter. They hide behind the rock. Peter sees Tiger Lily. She is sitting in the small boat. Poor Tiger Lily is a prisoner of the pirates. "Let's leave her on this rock. When the sea rises, she will die," says Smee. The two pirates laugh. It is already night and it is very dark. Peter wants to save Tiger Lily and thinks of something intelligent. He imitates Captain Hook's voice and says, "Cut the ropes and let her go." "Do as I say, you idiots. Let her go." The two pirates are amazed. "Can you hear Hook's voice?" asks Smee. "Yes, but what do we do?" asks Starkey. "We must obey him and cut the ropes," says Smee. They cut the ropes and Tiger Lily is free. She quickly jumps into the water and swims away. Captain Hook sees everything and he is furious. "That horrid Peter Pan! This time I must attack him," he says. He swims to the rock and fights with Peter. It is a long fight. The captain hurts Peter with his hook, but Peter fights courageously. At last, Peter wins the fight and Hook swims back to the Jolly Roger. Peter is now alone on the rock with Wendy. The sea is rising and we are in great danger here. "We must leave this rock," says Peter. "Oh, Peter, I am very tired and I cannot swim or fly." He sees a big kite with a long tail. It is flying slowly over the lagoon. He takes the tail of the kite and says, "Wendy, hold on to this tail and fly away with the kite." Wendy flies away. The sea is rising. "I must fly away," Peter thinks. When he gets home, everyone is happy to see him, especially Wendy.